Well, here I am in the kitchen again with another simple solution for storage. One of the biggest challenges in the kitchen is sometimes storing the smallest items, specifically spices, which come in these little cans and bottles. Now, some kitchens have special racks and drawers for spices, but if yours does not, you can try this. This works really well. I went to the home center and I bought this expandable curtain rod. This is a spring-loaded rod. This one, they come in various sizes. This one expands from 18 to 24 inches, or 28 inches actually, which is perfect for the inside of most cabinets. So you just expand it till it's about maybe 3/4 of an inch wider than the inside of the cabinet. Then just wedge it in place. The spring will compress so you can really get it in there tight. And then you'll have to experiment how far off the back wall and the height, but it's usually about 2 inches off the wall. And that allows you to just perch your spices right there. Isn't that great? You have the labels facing out so you can easily see them. Now, the other thing I like about this tip is that this is typically dead space that you wouldn't be using for anything else.